We are Grail. We make water purifiers for international travelers and outdoor explorers so their adventures can be safe, self-reliant, and sustainable. Until now, travelers have relied almost exclusively on single-use bottles for hydration, which are expensive, wasteful, and almost never recycled. There is a better way. Meet GeoPress, an astonishingly easy, supremely effective water purifier designed for adventure travel anywhere, worldwide. GeoPress is perfectly sized, extremely portable, compact, and the user experience, it's second to none. Simply fill, press, drink. We've revolutionized the water purifier. It works on every continent, whether a murky river near Mount Kilimanjaro, a sketchy tap in a Guatemalan hostel, or hiking the Pacific Crest Trail near our Seattle home. The secret sauce is GeoPress's patented design, which is powered by your body weight, so it's fast, really fast. It provides complete protection against all waterborne pathogens, even virus. And it makes water taste great, filtering out pollutants like chemicals, heavy metals, and microplastics. Here's a closer look at GeoPress. Topo Grip, tactile, non-slip material strategically placed on all heavy-use surfaces. Simple vent spout cap allows you to press and purify with a cap on. Simply twist the cap 1/2 turn to allow air to escape during purification. Soft press pads provide an ergonomic, comfortable pressing surface. The result? Incredibly fast purification that even a child can press. Since our 2016 Kickstarter, Grail purifiers have hydrated over 100,000 adventures, won awards, and earned over 500 5-star reviews. The Kickstarter community was vital, providing not just resources, but incredibly useful feedback that guided our GeoPress design process. We could not have done this without the Kickstarter community, and we hope you'll support us again. Thank you.
Vagabond Home. A good night's sleep anywhere on the road. Call it a rooftop tent, car top tent, pop-up tent, or a reimagined camping rig. It'll change the way you travel and open up new adventures. Whether you love extreme sports, road tripping, discovering remote places, or just having the freedom to go where you want, when you want, Vagabond Home is for you. We created Vagabond Home Rooftop Tent for anyone who loves the outdoors and being on the road. With Vagabond Home, your only task is to find a great place, open it up, and get a good night's sleep. What makes us different? It opens fast and easy due to high-quality gas springs. Its aerodynamic shape reduces fuel consumption. It comfortably fits 2 adults and 1 child. Our 2 layers of fabric provide excellent insulation, ventilation, and the ability to handle all kinds of weather. We've got 4 dimmable lights and a 12-volt DC adapter. There's no metal parts or mechanisms inside the tent. A combination of elements from both types of hard-shell rooftop tents maximize internal space. There's a special mechanism that allows you to lock the springs wherever you choose, making the closing as easy as possible. A resin infusion process makes it the lightest fiberglass rooftop tent of its size, and also provides exceptional thermal insulation. And an anti-theft lock protects your tent and your belongings. Vagabond Home has traveled a long way. Over the last 2 years, we've gone through research, conceptual and engineering design, prototyping and testing. Now you can help Vagabond Home reach production and join the world of vagabonds.
after 3 years of product design and engineering, we've perfected the most versatile traveling power station ever. The Power 27 was designed for the modern traveler. With a 120-volt outlet, 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A fast-charging outlets, you can go anywhere and still charge anything, up to 5 devices at the same time. And when we say go anywhere, we mean go anywhere. It's 1,000 feet drop-proof rated and 4,000 pounds crush-proof rated. Plus, it's the first ever IP67 submersible AC power bank on the market. The Power 27 is compact and light enough that it easily fits in any carry-on. And we've made it completely element-proof so that unlike the other guys, you won't have to coddle our battery. If you're on a shoot in the wild and need to charge your camera batteries or drone, or if you're just looking to take your office with you on the go, our integrated solar panel means even longer battery life extension. We've also incorporated an LED torch and strobe to help you find your way or be found in the dark. Your life is mobile. Free yourself from the wall. Go anywhere and charge anything. Remember, no matter what you're up against, the Power 27 was made for that. You no longer need to sacrifice quality for mobility. Feel free to roam, and we'll go with you.
From all of us at Roamproof, thank you. We couldn't do this without you and your support, and we look forward to traveling with you wherever you roam.
Hi, I'm Indrek, I'm a hiker, and as it appears, also an inventor. This is my hammock. Let's call it Dream Hammock.
It's likely one of the most comfortable flat lay hammocks you can ever find. It feels almost like a bed. Its innovative 4-connection point construction makes it very stable and impossible to flip over. But still, you can enjoy a little swing if you like. It is double layered, so you can put any sleeping pad inside and always stay warm. It has a unique single-handedly usable pocket system for easy access of your phone, headlamp, drink, or anything you want to have within reach.
I have developed and tested it over 2 years, and for now every detail has become perfect.